The 2016 Lexus ES is more comfortable, roomy, and practical than the sports sedans it is priced against. The 2016 Lexus ES is a comfort-focused luxury sedan based on Toyota's Avalon architecture. The ES serves as a softer, more comfort-minded counterpoint to the performance-oriented IS and GS sports sedans in the Lexus lineup. The ES has been the most conservatively styled Lexus, but it adds a bit of visual excitement for 2016. The spindle grille becomes far more prominent this year. It's bigger and features chrome trim. It has an hourglass shape that starts out wide, tapers into the bumper, then expands outward again below into the air dam. The ES offers a fine balance between ride and handling, as well as ready power from both powertrains. Thanks to a long-standing reputation for plush interiors, quiet cabins, and silky rides, the 2016 Lexus ES sedan will be coveted for its interior comfort. The 2016 Lexus ES is a safety standout thanks to excellent safety ratings and an impressive list of active safety features. Available at US Cars.